Kung mapapansin nyo, meron ditong tiny room na isa pa. Yan ay tiny room 2. Tapos ito yung lalaroin natin na tiny room. And minsan siya na dami ko talagang laro dito sa aking cellphone na nakalagay sa ating spin the wheel. And let's go. Gameplay mga ka-hotdog. Yes, is Kiari Games. So, stop nyo na lang kung gusto nyo basahin to. Kasi binasa ko lang ng kaunti. Yun dun sa personalize your experience. Dito sa purposes. Content selection, delivery, reporting, measurement partners, add colony, iron source, Unity Technologies, Top Giant Corporation, Facebook Incorporation, Chatbots Corporation, Mobility LTD. Yan, I agree na. This will be game na. Uy. Nandito din pala yung download ka na Pretty Tiny Roomscape. Kanila din pala yan. Oh, that's good to know. Let's go play the game. Okay, you're a private detective. Have you received a letter from your father in which he asks you to come urgently? You went to a nearby town. What could have happened to him? It turned out the road to the city was blocked by a traffic control barrier. Okay. Let's continue na. Let's do this. It's getting good. Need to get it set somehow. Parang tutorial mo na to. Wow. Didn't forget. So, tingnan natin. Yan. Oh my god. Sira. Turn off natin. Nice. Okay. Hanap tayo ng tools. So, tingnan natin tong cabinet. Tingnan natin tong desk. Telephone. Baka lang. Baka gusto mong tumawag. Okay. Rotate pa natin. Yan. Ayan. Ayun, may toolbox. Sorry naman. Okay. Tools are needed here. Ay, okay. Sorry. Open natin. So, let's look naman dito. Ayun. Bukas na. Tignan natin. Okay, tanggalin natin yan. Okay, mukhang hahanapin natin yung clue. Folder. Everything has to be in this folder. Okay, yun, gumulaw. Okay, tignan natin. 2134, okay. Good to know. Okay, mali. Oh God. Okay. Oh, yun. Meron sa ano. To. Yan. Okay. 2, 4, 1, 4, 2, 3. 1, 4, 2, 3. Okay, gumana na. Meron tayong internet, Twitter, Instagram, okay. Ito na. Error. God eh. Ay, wala tayong internet. Nanood sana tayo. It's empty. Roof padlock password. Okay, 3569. Wala tayong sulatan. Makakalimutan yung tao pa naman ako. Okay, punta tayo doon sa may roof. Tandaan niyo guys, 3569. Okay. 3, 5. Ang bilis 6, 9. Nice. Okay, check natin to. Okay. Close yung isa. Somewhere sometimes better not to touch them. Okay. Mukhang mabalik tayo sa may loob. And tingnan ko lang yung ating baka may clue. Tingnan natin yung mga drawer. Baka mayroong susi. Bushes, nothing interesting. Basta notes pala, sorry. Ayan, susi. Nice one. Uy, toilet paper. Dami naman toilet paper. Meron na nga dun, It's close. Okay, open natin. And then input this thing. There we go. Let's go back. Tapos tingnan natin yung wifi baka. Wait. Oh, sorry. Let's get a better angle. Yan. Angulo pala. Okay. Hindi pala yan doon. So, baka dito. Open it. Oh my God. Okay, guys. Ngayon, let's go back to the car. And that's so tricky, guys. But that's for the episode 1. And see you guys in chapter 1. Thank you guys for watching.